I feel thorns where my crown was. I'll be weak, but I'm alive from the dust until dawn. Yeah, I'll survive, cause I got sweet victory.
Alright guys, so this is actually for me a go-to look. As long as the crease is neutral, just add like a pop of color on the lash lines in. So on my brow bone, I'm putting my Sasha Buttercup, my pressed powder Sasha Buttercup, and I'm also doing, this is my low lighting color, what you guys call contour. This is the color I used to low light, and I'm also putting it in my crease. Now as you can tell, I'm already wearing my foundation, my brows, because I wanted to focus on the eyes. A lot of you have been requesting more neutral looks from me, so I've been trying to pump that out for you guys. So the palette that I'm using is actually from Beauty Bakery, and I'm using the orange from the palette, and you can leave it just as is. But knowing me, I'm not really a fan of natural looks, and because on this day I had promotions to do, and I told you guys that I told you guys that I'm working with Batiste dry shampoo. I promote for this stuff, so I actually had a gig, you call it, promotions today. Oh, I'm doing the Release JA, they're on Instagram. I'm actually doing their school tour, so I did this makeup for that, and that's why I added that specific color green on my lash line as well. So for my brow bone, I'm going in with yellow. I know these colors aren't really natural colors, but I'm telling you guys, I don't want to say hate, but I'm not a fan of natural looking makeup. So anything to add a little bit of spunk, I'm gonna do it. And the truth is, for me, this was nice and neutral. It wasn't too much. It was just beautifully done. This color, however, doesn't show up green based on the colors that I used, and that goes with color theory, because I used the red, and I'm also going with a green which has the blue and the yellow in it. So because of that, it created a darker color. It's color theory. I'm sorry, just want to do an introduction. But anyway, I'm using my LA Pro Primer in black for my lash line, and I'm blending it out. I know you see that red on the pencil brush. Ignore that. It's clean enough. So I'm just blending out the LA Pro Primer that I placed, and it was placed on my lash line as well as my waterline, and I'm blending it down underneath my lash line. Now I'm going in with the red, and I'm putting it right underneath my lash line to add some color. There we go. And the white that I'm using is actually Sasha's eyeshadow adhesive. That's the white I'll be using right now, and then I'm going to put the green on top of it. By putting the white down, it helps the green to come out a little bit truer to color. And this is the look. Oh, for my lips, I'm actually wearing Maybelline 650 Nude, and for my lip liner, I'm wearing LA Girl Espresso lip liner. I don't know if you guys are hearing Jonathan, but he's really loud. Oh, this black is also from the palette, the crayon case palette, and I'm just using it to sit. And then I'm just applying my mascara. The lashes I'm wearing are my own lashes. They're Fashionista, and this is the final look. I love it so much. I'm sorry I'm wearing the white t-shirt. I literally, when I put this on, it was like at 4 something in the morning, and I had to leave and go over the Talisa's makeup for the road show, and then continue with my job. So anyway, this is the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Nice and neutral, at least lyrics nice and neutral. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you for your prayers. I appreciate it. If you're watching my vlog, you know what I'm talking about, but thank you for your prayers, you guys. I love you guys to bits and pieces. Bye bye guys.